Hello and welcome everyone back to another video magic, and today we are back with another crypto video. Guys, another DeFi project. This one is super interesting. I wanted to cover this project as soon as possible, which is why I'm uploading a second time this day. I hope you guys really respect the grind that I'm looking at. This is super early. We're talking about under 100 members in their Telegram. This is a DeFi dApp that is fully built on your Telegram. You never need to go on a website, which is kind of crazy. And now you're thinking to yourself, how am I going to connect to my wallet? This sounds like a very not secure way. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen, if I open the Telegram bot, which is actually link in description, give me a second. It's link in description. You can literally click on wallet. Okay, and then you can disconnect it right there. You guys can see I have 0.48 BNB. You can disconnect it, or once you open it, instead of pasting it in, it can literally create your own wallet for you, which is kind of really interesting. I really like that. First of all, that is way more secure because you're kind of virtualizing every single project to its own wallet. That's much safer. You are not at risk of losing a whole wallet that has a lot of valuables, but with that kind of security side of things. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 3% daily ROI. This is TeleBeans Bot. I'm gonna leave the link in the description to it, so you want to click on it to join it. And then it's on the BNB, so Binance Smart Chain. You guys can see it. Here's the contract. I'm leaving the link in the description. We're looking at a balance of 3.9 BNB. Extremely low, ladies and gentlemen. Literally extremely low. So I hope you guys really appreciate the fact that I'm doing this early of a video. I'm even myself haven't entered the protocol. I want to show you guys how to do it, but basically, obviously, right, you generate your wallet within the Telegram bot, and then like you click refresh or whatever, it logs you in, and then you get your wallet, you paste it, right, and then you can just send it over from your MetaMask or from wherever, send the BNB fees, and then now it will tell you your balance. So what you want to do is you want to go to miners, buy miners, and then you want to basically paste the number that you want. I'm going to basically put it for 8. Actually, to keep some gas fees, I'm going to keep it at 4.7, and I'm going to click enter. This is actually my first time spend 0.4. I'm going to confirm. Buy transaction sent. Please wait. Let us see what will happen. Transaction successful. I can click on the hash to confirm it as well. Pretty sick stuff. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, at the beginning when I created my wallet, it does give you your key, so you can actually get that wallet key and then log in into your MetaMask to fully be able to interact with your wallet there. It's fully yours, right? This bot does obviously create it, and it does use it to connect to the dApp, which is really interesting. Look at that, 3.1 BNB in the total value locked, which is crazy. 3% API, referrals and fees, 3% fees. Okay, so that's your in and out. Pretty fair to me, honestly. And yeah, so now that I click refresh, it should show my not 100% sure. Yes, it should show how many miners there is, and then obviously the balance, which is the remaining balance. And there you go, my rewards is already generating, which I really like. And launch date, this was literally launched today, so I hope you guys really appreciate it. So come enjoy the classic baked beans fork with Telegram only interface. Really sick. I think this is actually quite innovative, so I think honestly I might even would want to probably pick the brains of the guy behind this. I might do an interview behind the dev of this person, of this project. If they are interested, I will definitely check them out and try to make this happen. I think it will be really interesting. You know what I mean, guys? I think sounds like a smart guy for sure. Great idea. Aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, once I go back to the group chat, which I'm going to leave the link in the description as well, like let's just see, okay, TeleBeans to the moon. Hey crypto fam, have you ever heard about TeleBeans Bot? It's the hottest project in town. Buy miners, compound, claim BNB, all with a few taps on the Telegram. It's like magic. Don't miss out on 3% daily ROI. It's like BNB making machine. Got friends? Refer them and earn 3% referral fees. Spread the love, and you guys can spread the love to me, supporting this small channel literally by clicking the link in the description to start your bot and start making your 3% daily. Simple as that. TVL is skyrocketing. Literally under 10 BNB. If you join at this earliness, it's crazy how potential rewards you are awaiting in front of you. And yeah, stay away from unsafe clones. Yes, we know that, like Baked Beans version 3. Rug pullers, join the Baked Beans miners community updates. I believe I'm in it. I think it's just this one. Yeah, it's this group chat. For fun and moon talk, don't miss the train. Hop on the TeleBeans Bot. Do your own research and enjoy the right folks. This is future mining. Pretty sick stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, you know, I really like that. Oh, nice buy. I believe that was me. Let me just type. Recording YouTube video 2. All right, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's honestly as simple as that. There you go. You have all the buttons you need. You can transfer money, but again, you can compound right there. Click of the button, claim, click of the button, and then literally claim will give you in BNB. You love to see it. It's this early, guys. If you didn't know about Baked Beans, it was one of the biggest like miners of 2022. No, 2021, I think. Yeah, biggest miners of 2021. Crazy things have happened. I've made a lot of money from it as well. So because being so early, it gets you the biggest potential rewards. So I'm going to end the video there. Honestly, guys, there's nothing more, you know, complicated to it. It's fully on your Telegram. It's a bot. You never need to open a website. It's crazy. It even creates the wallet for you. If you have any questions about this, you can send me a DM. I can reach out to the dev, or you can join my Telegram group chat. It's called the Farmers Community. Link in the description, obviously. And if you have any questions, or just generally you want me to cover any projects, I'll leave my business address, business email, link in the description, along with my personal Telegram at Coolide, so you can say hello and hi, whatever. And at the same time, if you want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description as well. Keeps the channel going. Guys, I work a full-time job. When I come back from my 9 to 5, I literally work full-time on this YouTube channel, because I want to, number one, I want to be the greatest, one of the greatest crypto YouTubers that is educational, genuine, data-driven, non-hyped. You know what I mean? I literally want to make the best quality type of videos. Again, I'm not really going to ramble, but you want to subscribe to this channel for more DeFi and everything to do with DeFi. Yeah, simple as that. Lots of videos, very, very bullish videos coming soon, so you don't want to miss out on them. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this video, because you're a legend. Give the video a like and comment to boost the YouTube algorithms. Share it with your crypto friends, and I'll see you in another one. Let me know about what you think of TeleBeans as well. I want to hear your thoughts. Bye-bye.